Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video, we have to see that the comparison operator in a Python. Okay. So first we have to see that the one table. So this is one table. Okay. So equal, equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than, equal, not equal. So these are the some comparison operator available in a Python language. Okay. We will see the one example. See here, I have to assign some values to the variable. So a equal to 3 and b equal to 4. Okay. So these are the some operators. So first is that the equal, equal. If the two values of the two operands are the equal, means that the condition becomes true. Okay. So result of these comparison operator is in Boolean, either true or the false. Okay. So see here, if a is equal to b, so my value of a and b is that the 3 and 4. So 3 is equal to 4, okay, which is not, means that condition is the false. Okay. So this result is that the false. Next one is that not equals, which is opposite to the equal, equal. If the value of two operands are not equal, then condition become true. Okay. See here, a is not equal to b, condition is true. 3 is not equal to 4. Next, greater than, check if the first operand means that the first number is greater than the second number, then condition become true. Okay, check 3 is greater than 4, false. Okay, so my condition is not a true, means that the false. Same here, the less than, 3 is less than 4, true. Next, greater than, equal. Okay, so what is difference in between greater than and greater than equal? So greater than only check the first number is greater than second, and this greater than equal can check the greater than or equal. Okay, means in this greater than operator, if both numbers are same, then result is the false. But in this case, greater than equal, if both numbers become same, means that the result is the true. Okay, so check here, first number is greater than or equal. If it is, then return true. Same here, less than equal. Okay, so these are the some comparison operators. So result is in Boolean, either true or the false. Okay, so we have to see the one by one example. So going to Jupyter Notebook. See here, I will give the title of that the tutorial. So going to drop down box, select the markdown. Okay, here this is the comparison operator. Okay, so before going to comparison operator, first we have to see that the booleans. Okay, so boolean operators that allows only two values, either true or the false. So these are the very important on when we deal with the control flow logic, because we want to check that the condition is either true or the false. Okay, so comparison logical operator used this value. Okay, see here, I am going to type the value true. Okay, after running this code, my output is that the true. But instead of capital T, but if you will use the small t, then see here, this is an error. Okay, so in true, T must be capital. Same here in false. See here, this is an error. Okay, so in true and false, the first letter must be the capital. So remember this thing that. Okay, so proceed to comparison operator. See here, check 2 is equal to 2. My result is the true because both numbers are the same. See here, 2 is not equal to 2, false, because they are equal. Same here, 2 is not equal to 3, true. Okay, same here, 2 is greater than equal to 3, false. Okay, 2 is less than 3, true. Okay, same here, 3 is greater than 3, false, but 3 is greater than equal 3, true. So 3 greater than 3, check. The 3 is greater than 3, false, and greater than equal, they have the two conditions. First is that check 3 is greater than 3, false, and second is that check both are equal, yes. That's why it is true. Okay, so these are the some comparison operator. So next one is that the chaining comparison operator. So in chaining comparison operator, there are total 3 operators: and, or, and not. Okay, so this is the logical operator in Python. Okay, logical operator is used in between the two conditions. Okay, see here one by one. So first we have to see that 1 is less than 2, true. Okay, then 1 is less than 2 less than 3. This statement will not work in other languages in C, C++, Java. Okay, but see here, result is that the true. Going to graphical mode. Okay, we have to use the one example: 1 is less than 2 is less than 3. Okay, see here, the 2 is used in these both conditions, means that 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 3. Actually this is the expression. Okay, so 1 is less than 2, true, and 2 is less than 3, true. So this is the logical AND operator. So in logical AND operator, so both condition must be true. If it is true, then AND is the true. Okay, so this is the logical AND. Both condition, if both condition is the true, then my AND is the true. If one of them is the false, then my AND is the false. Okay, same here the OR condition. So logical OR is that if one of the condition is false, then also OR is the true. But if both condition is false, then OR becomes false. Okay, so this is the table for the logical AND and logical OR. So this is the expression treated like this way. Okay, so in between there is a logical AND operator. Okay, so check here, 1 is less than 2, true, and 2 is less than 3, true. So if my both condition is true, means that result is that the true. That's why my answer is that the true. We can also check like this way: 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 3. My answer is that the true. Okay, so next expression is that 1 is less than 2 is greater than 3. Okay, so find what is the answer. 1 is less than 2, true, and 2 is greater than 3, false. Means the one condition become false. Okay, and by default logical operator is that AND. Okay, in logical AND, if any one of these condition is false, then my logical AND becomes false. Okay, so my answer is that the false, because 2 greater than 3 is the false. It is like this way: 1 is greater than 2 and 2 is greater than 3. But if we will use this statement like this way: 1 is less than 2 or 2 is greater than 3. So logical OR means that if both condition is true or one of them is that the true, then logical OR becomes true. Okay, see here, 1 is less than 2, the first condition is the true. That's why my OR is the true. When OR becomes false, when both condition is false. Okay, so these are the some logical operators. So one more is that the logical NOT. Okay, see here, 1 is equal to 1, my condition is that the true. But if we write in front of this condition, okay, so NOT convert the condition into reverse case. Means if the condition is the true, then it convert into false. Same here, if condition is false, convert it into the true. Okay, so these are the some comparison operators. So students, test this code on your computer. Okay, so if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.